Let me show you the strangest behaviors you would never expect from animals. First up, have you ever seen a kangaroo flex? Believe it or not, male kangaroos show off their muscles to impress females and intimidate rivals. Yep, kangaroos are nature's bodybuilders. Next, did you know squirrels bury thousands of acorns and nuts every year but forget where they put most of them? That forgetfulness actually helps forests grow as new trees sprout from the buried seeds. And lastly, male penguins propose to their mates by giving them a pebble. If the female accepts, they use the pebble to build their nest together. It's like nature's version of an engagement ring. Which animal behavior totally blew your mind? Let us know in the comments.